welcome back, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you saw the video I made a few weeks ago, I decided that I wanted to start this new series on my channel where I do art purely for fun, and I just kind of sit down and I draw or I paint, and I just kind of have a chat with you guys. And I got a lot of really awesome feedback on that video, and so I'm definitely going to continue making these. I've been really loving floral illustration lately. I just did that chalkboard for my room where I did a ton of gold floral illustration, and I just kind of fell in love with it and learning how to get better at drawing flowers and all sorts of things related to that. So I kind of wanted to focus on that in this little drawing session, but I wasn't ready to like just jump in right away, so I decided to just start off with writing a little quote in the middle of the paper. Summer's coming to an end, school is going to be starting soon, and it's so important to remember not to be too hard on yourself. I want everyone to feel like they have a fresh start this year. If you're going into school and you're nervous or you don't know what to expect, just do your best and really enjoy the moments that you have, because sometimes the start of a new year is just such a wonderful time to really reinvent yourself or start fresh with new habits or a new lifestyle. So I really am wishing the best for all of you guys who are going into school this fall. Back to the drawings, obviously I really went with a similar floral drawing style as I did the other day. Kind of like an intricate, detailed, but still kind of sketchy vibe. I really like doing like roses, and I don't know if they're like lavender or I'm not really sure. I like using reference photos. Obviously I can't draw all of these from memory because I'm not like good with flower anatomy, so I do use reference photos. Like Pinterest has a huge bank of just wonderful floral reference photos if you like drawing and you need like pictures to refer to while you're doing it. Just like Pinterest, Google, whatever type of flower you're looking for, and there's no shortage. But once I got done drawing these, I was like, it's just kind of missing something. Like I was thinking like, oh, black and white would be kind of cool, just like leave it simple. But when I was finished with it, I was like, I kind of still want to add something. Like I want it to have color, and I was going to do watercolor, but I've had some bad experiences with my micron pen ink kind of bleeding with water contact, and so I thought, well, I have these colored pencils sitting next to me, like maybe I'll just do a little bit of, you know, colored pencil work, just kind of fill them in and give them some more brightness. And then as I was kind of doing it, I was like, I don't want to go in and like fill in each of these petals. Like I don't like the idea of how that's gonna look. So I just kind of started like scribbling on the paper. I just kind of let myself color outside of the lines, as weird as that sounds. Like I just spend all this time drawing these intricate detailed flowers, and then I'm like going in and just scribbling on top, and in a weird way it was kind of invigorating to just like let my hand have at it with the paper and not really care, and honestly not really mad about how it looks. Like I'm kind of proud of it. I think it kind of just like represents the fact that, you know, you can color outside the lines sometimes. You don't have to just limit yourself when you're doing your art, especially when you're doing art for fun. I wanted to experiment and try something, so in the end we have this piece that either looks like it was really deep and introspective, or that I let a 5-year-old color it in for me. But either way, you kind of just get what you get at the end, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I hope it inspired you to do art, and thanks for tuning in today, guys. Alright, that's it. Bye, guys.